Hi there. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks about choosing the best clan in Clash Royale. So looking at my second Clash Royale account there, I've just got to level 13, King level 13, and I've decided to leave my old clan and to join a new clan just to do something a little bit different. And so today I'm going to show you and share with you a few tips and tricks that I use when I'm joining a new clan. And before you join a clan, you've sort of got to answer these sort of few questions about what is your aim with Clash, because not everybody has the same sort of aim, I suppose, with Clash. So firstly, is your aim to upgrade your king levels? And obviously for myself, I'm at level 13 already, so I can't go any higher. So that's not going to be my aim. But if you want to upgrade your king levels, you want to be in an active clan that's doing a lot of requesting cards and donating cards. So that's always a good clan to join if you want to upgrade your king levels. Do you want to win wars? So you want to join a clan that's active on war day and doing well. Do you want to be in a family-friendly or aggressive clan? So I like being in a family-friendly, so there's no inappropriate comments in the comment section. And do you want promotion to co-leader? So if that's important, then when you're looking through the clans, if you're looking at a clan that's got a lot of co-leaders, then it's likely that you'll get promoted to co-leader fairly quickly. But if there's only a few co-leaders, then you may never get promoted to co-leader in that clan. So to do that, first of all, we're just going to swipe left and to go to the search section. So what I do then is I come over here to the advanced section. So rather than just looking through these ones that they've shown you, I just do a bit of a search. So in the advanced search, I pressed show, and clan location, I like to select Oceania, which includes Australia and New Zealand and a few other places around about Australia, and it's because that's where I live, and I think it's best to choose a local clan because everybody's awake at the same time. You're doing the war day together. You don't have war day sort of finishing at 3 o'clock in the morning your own time because it's different time overseas. So yeah, it's good to be in a local clan. What I like to do is the members. I just sort of select, maybe about 40. Just press that down till I get to about 40. That one. So between 40 and 50, there's 30. Yep, and there we go, 40 to 50 clans. That means you're getting in a clan that's got, a lot of players in there already. Minimum clan points, you can select the number of clan points there if you want to, but I'll leave that blank for the moment. And because I want to win my wars, then I'll select, say at least 2,000 war trophies in that section, and then I'll do only clans I can join. Yep. And turn that on, so that's obviously not looking at clans that you've got no chance of joining. And so I've got those in my selections, so I'll click on search. Yep, and I'll look down here and I'll look at this first one, 501. Oops, oh yeah, so the green dots, they're important. So the first green dot means that if they're active in clan wars, yep, so it's good to get a green dot there. The next dot is if they're active in donations, so it's a good green dot there in the middle, it's good. And that last one, that's only if you've got friends in that clan. So I don't think I've ever seen a green dot there, but it'd be fairly rare, I'd say, for that one. So let's have a quickly click on that clan and have a look. So it says I can join straight away, which is good. Then I like to go straight down to the bottom, because down the bottom is where all the inactive clan members will be. And you can see there, you've got 0 there, and they've actually been inactive for 1 month. 0, 10 days, 0, 20 days, 0, 8 days, 0, 8 days, 0, 16 days. Yeah, so we'll forget about that clan. Looks like it's fairly inactive, and and the leaders in that clan don't kick out the inactive players. So you don't want to be part of that clan. You want to be a clan that everybody in there is playing on a daily basis, and yeah, that's the best clan to be. So let's have a flick down here and see what else there is to join. Obviously, if it's got 50 out of 50 then you can't join it. So I've got one here at the bottom, Perth Oldies 2, 48 out of 50. So I'll click on that, and it allows me to join. Some have invite only, which you've got to actually press the invite only button and wait for somebody to let you in the clan. But this one you can join straight away, which is pretty good. And we'll go straight down the bottom, and we've got a few zeros there. 14 days, 6 days, 8 days, which isn't so great, but then, and there's 0, 8 hours. But when you look through, then there's a few zeros, but they're only 3 hours and 1 hour, and 18 hours, and everybody else is relatively active, so that's probably not going to be a bad clan to join. And I like to join a clan that you don't sort of see anybody there that's, you know, got 1,000 donations or something like that, because you mean that they're sort of in there, you know, donating. You don't get a chance to donate, so you want to get sort of have a clan where everybody's sort of donating, you know, 2, 3, 4, 500 cards a week in that number. That's always good. The few zeros there, no, it's not great, but anyway, I might join that one and see how we go. Now, it's always good to read the clan statement. Yep, and do you agree? So it's a mature, it's a mature active players from Western Australia. 300 donations per season minimum. If you join a war, you must play your war hit. And yeah, so that's probably not too bad. What I was going to say is that it's always good to search later in the week. So I'm actually searching this on a Saturday, and the donations are reset on a Monday. So you can, if you're searching on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday like that, you sort of get a good idea of whether the clan's active or not. Obviously, if you're searching on the Monday, then you'll get a lot of zeros, and you won't really know if the clan is active or how active the clan really is. So that's good. And also, I like to actually choose what I call a Goldilocks clan. So it's not too inactive and it's not too active. So you've got a chance to be a not a bad player in that clan. Required trophies 4,300, and I think I've got about 4,700 or 800 trophies at the moment. So I'll probably up here in the top half of the players. Probably in the top 10 or so, top 10 or top 15, which is pretty good. And yes, I'll click on the join button for this clan and see what happens. And you joined a clan, and then down the bottom, Scotty Dog joined the clan. And yeah, obviously there's a bit of a time limit where you've got to wait until you can start requesting and donating, which looks like it to be 2 hours and 22 minutes. So that's it. There we go. I've joined a clan. They've got people joining there. It's good to have a look through the clan. People have left, people have gone. Looks like lots of comments over the last 24 hours. People are requesting stuff. So yeah, looks like it's not be bad clan. We've got a few people getting kicked out. That's always good to see, people being kicked out of the clan. Obviously they've been inactive and they've decided to kick them out. So that's good. So that's it. So there we go. I've joined a clan. I'm now in Perth Oldies 2, and that's the case. So the last point I'd like to make, I think I've covered all those points there. Consider when you leave your old clan. So yeah, sometimes with your old clan it starts to get inactive. The leaders don't kick people out, and you sort of grow out of that clan. So it's good just to leave. And join a new clan, and yeah, it's sort of like a change is this. What's it? A change is as good as a holiday for Clash Royale. So there we go. There's a few tips and tricks that I use when I want to choose a new clan in Clash Royale to get into the best clan, or at least a good clan that you can have fun playing Clash Royale with. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned a few things. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.